Good morning, students. Hope all you have done well in your exams. Now let's continue with the chapter 8, Triangle and its properties. Before exams, we are doing this chapter. Few topics are left. Let us start with the remaining topics. Beta. Today's topic is centroid and orthocenter of a triangle. Today's learning outcome means after watching this video, you will be able to identify the centroid and orthocenter of a triangle, and also you will be differentiate between median and the altitude of a triangle. Now first of all, the median of a triangle. Median of a triangle is a line segment that joins a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Now in this figure, as you have seen, there is a triangle ABC, right? When a line segment, if you draw from A vertex and it divides a BC side into equal parts, it is a median, beta. If it divides BC into equal parts, it means D is the midpoint of the side BC of, right? So AD is the median of the triangle ABC. Now what is the centroid of a triangle? Now if you draw the median in a one triangle, there are three medians, right? If you draw three medians from vertex A, B and C, now the point where all these medians meet, that is a centroid. It means you can say that the point of concurrency of a median of a triangles is called centroid of the triangle. Once again I am repeating, the point of concurrency means where the point meet, all the medians meet. That point is called the centroid of the triangle. In this figure, as you have seen in triangle ABC, three medians are there, AD, BE, CF. Okay, all these medians meet at the point G. So here G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. So here beta, you have to remember few things about the median and the centroid. Median of triangles are concurrent, right? They intersect at one point. Medians of the equilateral triangles are equal. That means they are equal in lengthwise, right? Median to the equal sides of isosceles triangles are equal. जो equal sides होती हैं isosceles triangle की, अगर वो आप वहाँ से median draw करते हो, they are equal in lengths. Fourth point is median to the base of isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. That means it makes angle of 90 degree also. Now fifth point, centroid of the triangle divides each of median in 2:1. ये मीडियन को 2:1 में डिवाइड करता है बेटा, टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. सिक्स्थ, सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल लाइज इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. ये हमेशा इसके अंदर होता है. Now the next part, altitude of the triangle. Now what is the altitude? An altitude of a triangle is the line segment from the vertex of the triangle perpendicular to the opposite side, right? Now noted on this figure, ABC triangle is given to you. If you draw a line segment from A and it is perpendicular to the opposite side, that means it makes an angle 90 degree on the side BC, then it is the altitude of the triangle, right? Now in every triangle you have a three altitudes. That means you can draw three altitude in one triangle from each vertex. Here AL is the altitude. Now note it down, in right angle triangle, as you know, there's a 90 degree angle already perpendicular, one angle is 90 degree. So in this triangle ACB, you can say AL, that is in L point coincides with C, that is the altitude of the triangle, right? In obtuse angle triangle, here ABC is obtuse angle triangle, altitude lies outside the triangle, beta. Orthocenter of the triangle. Now we're going to discuss with the orthocenter. Now as you know, there are three altitudes in one triangle. The point of concurrency, that means where three altitudes meet, the point of concurrency of the altitude of a triangle is called orthocenter of the triangle. Now in this figure, ABC is a triangle. Here you have seen three altitudes, AD, BE, CF, right? So the point T where all these altitudes meet, that is the orthocenter of the triangle. orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle lies exterior of the triangle, as you have seen in the figure. Now few things you have to remember. Better when you remember all these things, you can easily solve the worksheets related with these two topics, right? Thank you, students.